state of Georgia. Just want to hop on right quick to talk about FHA loans for a minute. There's been big talk with what's going on with FHA loans in the last 2 or 3 days or so. Reason being is that FHA has a standard guideline where you could purchase a home with a 580 credit score with 3.5% down. That is their guideline, but most lenders have an overlay. And what that basically means is that they have their own they have their own criteria of what it's going to take to get you approved for an FHA loan. So just basically in the past, if you was around 600, 620, it was no problem to get the FHA loan. But at this point in time, they have increased the scores that are needed. Now you need a 640 to 660 credit score in order to get an FHA loan with putting 3.5% down. And to say that they're not even offering it, a lot of lenders now are not even offering FHA loans at this time. And reason being is that due to the estimated 3 to 6 months forbearance that's about to take place, or they're allowed to do, even at 3 years, most investors, which are Ginnie Mae, which supports FHA loans, is losing around $32 billion. And that's just with 3 months of forbearance that they have to actually cover and be able to take care of. So that's a huge deal for investors that have been investing, which is Ginnie Mae, which has been investing in FHA. So it's huge. They're wondering if FHA is actually going to go away for a certain time period or not, and it's only going to be VA or conventional loans. So right now, if you're looking at purchasing a loan, the best way or the best loan to purchase would definitely be VA or also conventional loans. And most people don't know this. You usually are offered FHA up front, but most times the people that get approved for FHA can actually get approved for conventional loans as well, with the 3% down. I know we've heard about 5 and 10% and 20% down, but there are programs conventional where you can actually 3% down, which is actually a little less than the 3.5% down. And with FHA, you do pay an upfront mortgage premium. With conventional, you do not. So I will tell you this, is that if you was in the process of purchasing an FHA, using an FHA loan to purchase a home, or someone that is, definitely be wary right now. Ask a lot of questions. I've had some friends of mine or some coworkers of mine that have had clients that was purchasing FHA loans, and when this just hit the fan a couple of days ago, they are no longer able to purchase using an FHA loan based on the new guidelines. So again, just to recap, the new guidelines for FHA now is basically anywhere from a 640, 660 minimum score now. No more 620s, no more 600s, no more 580s. So 640 to 660 or above, that's what you would need as a credit score to get an FHA loan. And to a certain point, the interest rates right now are higher on FHA loans than any other loan, because they're really not wanting to do that based on the forbearance that they're giving now to homeowners anywhere from 3 to 6 months, that now these investors, which is Ginnie Mae, is losing over $30 billion because of the forbearance. And they're calling these loans the most riskiest loans out there, because even back when the recession hit, even right now, any score that they found out through their note taking or through their research, under 660 score has showed the highest risk or the highest probability for foreclosure. So not only that, but also coupled with the forbearance, the money they're going to be losing or have to cover over the next 3 to 6 months, it's almost wiping FHA out. So we're going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to continue to update you and let you know what's going on in the mortgage industry or anything else for that nature. But stay encouraged. This is definitely still a good time to purchase in. Just be careful. Just like anywhere else, location is the key. But I just want to jump on right quick and share some information, since I've been asked what's going on with FHA loans. Are they going away or are they staying? It still remains to be seen, but definitely be careful when purchasing an FHA loan. If you have any questions about any loan type or program, please leave it in the comment section. We'd love to help you out. Also, I cover this in my tip buying process, and I will also post it in the comments later. Again, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor, sharing some great information to you on today. Have a blessed one, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.